Good morning. This is Akila. She is our Pembroke Corgi. She had 8 pups last night, June 1st, and she had 4 boys and 4 girls. And right now we're weighing them, seeing how big they are, marking them for what color they are so we can help track them better. It's non-toxic paint, so that we can tell them apart for making sure that the weights are good and continue to go up.
Literally on their backs.
They are so cute. We were totally tickled with the 4 boys and 4 girls. Thought that was a perfect litter. Akila is a super happy and proud mom. It's so fun to see her just smile so big. That's one of the things that drew me to corgis, is they're just such happy dogs, and their smiles just make it so worth having them around. I hope you enjoy the video. Now we're just going to show you their sizes and just give you a quick introduction to them. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Show. Yes. This is Little Blue.
Really wants it.
And he was 270 grams, about 12 hours after birth. Nice little round belly. I forgot to say, you can follow us on the Roaring Corgis on Instagram. I'll have a link below.
She's
sticking out her tongue.
She's my favorite. She's so cute. She doesn't bite me anything so far from her.
She needs some white. They both have brown on their faces. Ooh, a little bit more than I wanted. Cute. Super cute. I love her dark face. Oh, and she was 236 grams. Okay, you're good. Okay, this is a little green boy. And what did he weigh?
224.
224. 4 little white feet. He's got nice colors. Okay. Who's next?
Oh, look it up. Oh.
We did the black ones.
Here, do this one. She's attached, but...
Ooh, pretty.
Super nice color.
She's a little jelly bean.
Oh.
There's one that looks a lot like her.
What are we?
Hey, stay. Mom, she's trying to get up a little bit lower.
It's a girl.
I got blue paint on that
Yeah, try to keep her there.
There's blue paint on that one's belly now.
Belly paint doesn't count. Okay. Okay, this little girl, she's Miss Pink. Kind of looks like a heart. And she was 240 grams. There you go, Mama. Okay, this is a little boy, and he was 252 grams, 4 little white feet. This little girl is purple. She was 230?
Mm-hmm.
230. She's so cute. There you go, babies. Okay, this little boy was 242 grams. He's quite brown. He's so cute. Mama loves him.
Here, it's behind Akila because...
And this is the last one.
Yep.
So this
That's your last puppy.
This little girl is orange. She has this great spot. I love it. And she was what?
252.
252. There you go, Mama. We're all done.
She kept sitting up, and every time she was standing up, I had to brush her off.